game. In the past, you've hurt people. You've done things to people that you shouldn't have. And for that, you have to play this game. Behind you, you'll find a key. Inside that key, you will find your way out. Let the games begin.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you guys, I'll be doing a jigsaw, of course, as you can see. So you guys, this was a very complicated look because I did 3 different pictures and I combined it into one. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, you already know what to do. You gotta thumbs this video up, you guys. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Hope that you find everything that I have, you know, interesting and knowledgeable. And yeah, I'm just rambling, y'all, so let me just go ahead and get right on into this look, you guys. Yeah. Okay, you guys, here is the reference picture that I will be using. This is from Major Look, so shouts out to her for giving me this inspiration. I'm also using another picture as well. I'm not going to show you guys that one, but it's for the lips mainly. So I'm going to start off by using my Mayron Fantasy Makeup in cream white, and I'm also going to be using my Wet n Wild paint pot in the color white as well. So I'm going to start by using a foundation brush, and I'm going to paint on the Mayron paint first. I'm going to paint this all over I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm going to paint this all over my face, and then I'm going to go back on top of it with my paint pot from Wet n Wild. Okay, you guys, now that my face over here looking like I'm on Us or Them, let me stop. I'm gonna go ahead and start to carve out where I'm going to actually draw in my dark spots. So I'm actually using a flat brush, and I'm just basically lightly tracing out the areas that I'm going to go ahead and place the black paint that I'm going to apply on. I'm going to create the chin, the mouth, and around the jawline for his face. So I'll let you guys keep watching as I carve that out. Okay, y'all, she's starting to look a little better, but as y'all can see, I did go ahead and trace in my dark spots with my black paint pot from Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my little swirls for my cheek. I started off using my Wet n Wild red paint pot, and then I was like, it's just not really giving me that red that I want. So I'm gonna actually go back on top of this with my lipstick, my red lipstick from Kiss. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and draw these out, my little swirls, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the rest. Okay, you guys, now we're going to apply the lips like Joker, but this ain't Joker, this Saw. So I'm using my red lipstick by Kiss. I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. She looking tasty, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips, and then I'm going to draw the corners of my mouth with this is actually a lip pencil, lip brush, but I'm using it as a detail brush. So I'm going to draw out the corners of my mouth, being very, very detailed around the lips because you want this almost as perfect as possible. And then I'm going to actually add a little bit of black glitter on top of the lip just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Y'all, I'm looking like I'm gonna go do a whole mime show in AIM. Okay guys, on to the eyes. Now, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and draw these eyes on, but I'm just gonna let y'all know that I had totally messed this eye up. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So I started to draw out the eye, not knowing that the eye was supposed to be all the way black with a little bit of red in the middle like a normal eye. So I'm gonna be looking all type of kind of ways in a minute, but your girl gonna fix it. She gonna realize, and then she gonna go fix it. So I'm looking at my reference picture right now to see how she drew it out, which I thought she did this little red in the middle and then a little bit of black around, but I'm gonna be looking real crazy, okay? Like crazy. So I'm gonna fix that, y'all, after I mess up a little bit. But it's okay. It just shows you when you're doing makeup, you can mess up and it's easily fixed, you know, because you're actually using different colors, you know, paints, lipsticks, liners, so you can fix it. So your girl is gonna fix it. She is. She can't just go out looking like this. And this is the part where I realized you look like a whole fish over it. Like, you look like Fester Adams with a whole bunch of little fish eyes. Like, this is not how we finna go out like this. This is the part where I realized that, girl, these eyes look a mess. Like, can y'all see this? Like, this man do not look like this. And if he was to see my face, he would probably be like, girl, if you don't get back in there and fix that, fix it, honey. So guess what? We finna go ahead and get our detail brush, and we're gonna go ahead and draw out the correct eye shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw out my black circles around the red, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the inside of the eye with the red, and then I'm gonna add my pupils like somebody with some sense. Because at first I ain't had no sense. Like, I'm really over here looking like Dory off of Finding Nemo, y'all. Let me see.
y'all. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? That is so much better. We looking so much better in 2021, but in 2022 we finna bust it wide open. Bam. Eyes wide open. Like, who finna stop me? So we're gonna go ahead and trace around the, actually we're gonna add shadows. That's what we're doing. We're creating shadows into the depths of our face so that we can give it a little more pop and a little more chisel. And now I'm gonna get to the fun part, which is painting on my body. Okay, now you guys, painting on your body is very, 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 very time consuming. So you are gonna see me start the paint on my body, and then I'm gonna get up and go off camera to finish it, just because it was so detailed, and this video would have been hella long had I kept on showing you guys how I do it. So I'm gonna do everything else off camera. Okay, you guys, I did go ahead and finish everything off camera. Of course, this is her. This is how she looks. This is the finishing looks, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video once again. The entertainment. If you did, you already know what to do. Thumbs this video up, you guys. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Also, share this video with a friend, you guys. If you have any other video ideas, make sure you comment down below, and I'll be sure to, you know, see if I can get that done for you guys. But until next time, stay in the fly trap.